Working on myself, working on my health, working on my mind, taking all the time, yeah, that I need just to find me. 'Cause who's gonna do it for me? Working on my habits, cutting off distractions, getting closer to God, yeah, defeating the odds lately. I'm seeing me through a different lens. I'm taking time to do work.
So the first thing I want to do is give the bathroom a very good deep cleaning. So that is the toilet, the baseboards, the wall, all of the different furniture pieces I have in the sink, definitely the pedestal. And I want to change and rearrange and move some things around. So first of all, let's go ahead and get this toilet squeaky clean. When you're cleaning your toilet, make sure you get all up under here. There is dirt, dust, and all that settles in these little creases, so make sure you give it a very good clean down. So it is time to clean what I absolutely hate, and it's baseboards. But with this cleaner, it makes it so easy. Spray on it for a second and just come down with a damp cloth and it comes right off, and you can see they are squeaky clean. Down below in the description, I will give you a link to all of my cleaning products, and I do purchase these from Lowe's department store. So this stand is an IKEA stand. I've had it for quite some time, and I have moved it to probably 2 different places in the house. So I am going to go ahead and remove everything down, clean everything down, because just because this is your bathroom doesn't mean dust does not collect, because indeed it does. So I am definitely cleaning down everything. On my cloth right now, I do have liquid Lysol, so I'm cleaning everything down really good. This have hoops and loops and crosses and everything on it, but in the midst of it, I'm gonna make sure that I clean everything very well. Guys, this is the entryway to our bathroom. So I always try to put something in this corner because it be so bleak. And that is the bathroom door. That is the car garage door. So let's go ahead. So that is what that looks like. I just have a lantern down there. Then I put this tree here. So it's a tree that I've had for a very long time. It was in the car garage and I decided to bring it back out. So on the other side coming into the car garage, I also have a green rug. You know, I do a lot of the green, off-white, and black, and with a little hint of gold. So, not further ado, I know you're ready for this room. So let's check out the guest bathroom now. So this is the guest bathroom now. I think it did achieve what I was looking to do. I wanted to give it a more dark yet elegant and sexy vibe, and I think I did pull it off pretty good. So this is a mirror that I've had for quite some time and I never used it, and I just decided that I wanted to change the mirror. So with the black elements, this worked out perfect. It was a light brown, and some time ago I did paint it black matte. So it is a winner. So next, this is the hand tower. It's beige with a little purse on it. And right below, you know, I did a haul with these pieces, and they did come from Ross Department Store. So it ties in very well. I do keep that night light over there in the corner. And of course, I have this candle here burning, and it smells so good. I know it may look Christmassy to some, but no, it's just a Winterland forestry, and it smells so good. The mint pine smells so good. So up here, I add these pictures back. I have another picture that I wanted to put up here, but I decided that I was going to keep those because I do like it with the mirror. And I know you would say you have this big wall, why you don't put anything on there. I used to, and I did stop. I will let you know the reason why. So here in the corner, I have these dark brownish twigs, and it's in a very tall glass vase. And I do have some beige, off-white, and green little wood balls in there. On top of the toilet, it is just this gold piece and my porcelain box, and it has a little green stripe in there. It came from Home Goods, oh my gosh, about 4 or 5 years ago. So over here, I told you guys that when you find pieces, use them as different pieces. This is a hamper for like a child's room, I guess, but I turned this into a trash can. So here it is. So I have a black bag inside of it, so I did turn it into a trash can. So that is what this area looks like now. And oh, right below, I did add my beige rug in here because I have so many dark elements. I wanted to brighten up a little bit with the beige rug because we do have dark floors. So I absolutely love it so far. So let me show you this piece. So here, this is an IKEA stand, and I just rearranged it. So I put my books up there, and that is a wooden round hoop bead that I made out of Dollar Tree pieces. I think it was the wooden snakes. And right here, I just add a shadow box picture that I made with the rocks, and a little lady and another book. Here, this is just a toiletry box, and I just have that stand behind it. This is an open box, which is the same material. I did get these from Ross and just add some toilet tissue inside of that one. And then here I wanted to put more of the wood element. You know, your girl is doing wood, loving wood right now. So I did leave this elephant down there. This is the bathroom now. I think it is have a very elegant touch to it, and I do love it. If you like it, tell me some of the things that you like about the bathroom, but tell me what you don't like. And you know, as I always say here on YouTube, when you do your home, it's your style. So if it's something that someone else does not like, guess what? They do not live in your household. So you do things that is pleasing to you for your household. Pleasing someone else, that's not what it is about. It's just giving you ideas of things that you can do with a small space such as this one. It is a guest bathroom. So it's just me giving you a little idea of things that you can do, but how you can do it with a dark element, but still lighten it up. So guys, I will have some pictures at the end of this to show you everything up close and very personal. So this is our guest bathroom and entryway.
I want you to know that there is nothing that is happening in your life that is designed to take you out. That thing is designed to birth the best version of you. My girl, my sister, you are the woman for the job. When the enemy tried to make me feel nervous, I told the enemy, you can't have my mind today, because I'm the woman for the job. I'm going to do flat-footed what God has called me to do, because I'm the woman for the job. I'm the woman for the job. Somebody's got to start prophesying over that situation that's trying to tell you you're not going to make it. Honey, I'm the woman for the job. I'm going to raise that child anyway. I'm going to start that business anyway. I'm the woman for the job, baby. I'm the only one who can do what I do the way that I do.